that they were able to solve the crime. So, certificate of recommendation to PO2CMP Al-15 and law enforcement bringing to a halt unlawful practices by the Akyat Bahay group engaged in robbery which threatened the safety of residents within the areas of F. Inigo, E. Jacinto streets and adjoining streets last November 2, 2014, which proved to be selfless and reflected greatly upon him as a part of the Davao City Police Station 2, given this 5th day of November 2014, City of Davao, Philippines, signed by me. Ito yung encuentro dyan sa likod ng Assumption. Sinong dalawa yung kausap yung dalawa? So as part of that endeavor, you have this commitments, recognition plus pera. Drone. Inciso. Bato ikaw na demander dua isawa? Pulis ako, priso ka. Baldos. Dina. Dionisio. Kigan. Lapis. Kagusang ka. Ronald Limlao. Anak ko. 1,000 mo. Sige, thank you. As the mayor of the host city, when the president lands, takes off, nandyan ako. Aside from that, yung usual preparation is, may ano na yan may structure na yan. So you just have to be there in your proper places. The proper persons there on the ground. Yun, nothing really big about it.
Sir, what is the purpose of today's
itong meeting namin? I just want to talk to them about crime and criminality. Kaya may trabaho namin.
Will there be special task to policemen and military officers in line with the arrival of the officer?
Kasali na. Hindi namin kontrolado yan. PSG yan. Kung sinong makadikit yan, PSG yan. Yung ating isdaan lang.
Sir, what particular criminality would you be talking today, sir? In general?
Rape. Criminality, lahat. No? Padating na ang Pasko, there will be an increase of crimes against property. Coupled with yung crimes against person, yung mga hold up.
Pupunta ka sa BDF bukas, Mayor. BDF.
Yung, pupunta ko doon. Pero wala man akong participation. I'll just be around within the vicinity so that the president will, if the president would call you, you are near, you can respond immediately. Nandiyan lang ako sa tabi-tabi.
Mayor, any reaction sa DPWH na 15 na napriyanan na tulay?
Well, I would rather na hindi madaliin basta tunay ang tulay. Kasi apurahin mo tapos baka hinawsyaw ng trabaho, mag-collapse pa. So what can we do? Sabihin nila na hanggang January, kung hindi ba tayo papayag, hindi mo rin masunod. So, sa bagay, yung hindi naman, this is not really an abandoned project. You cannot whip a dead horse. Ka nga. So, hintayin mo, tanggapin mo na lang. Kisa madaliin nila, tapos magkaletse-letse ang trabaho, itulay yan . So, I would rather that they go with the pace that's available to them.
May nagprotesta yung mga tricycle operators and drivers sa Sirawan, Binungaw. They are requesting the city to parang bigyan sila ng tricycle lane, Mayor. Would it be possible?
That is not within my province. It is not for me to say yes or no. I was just implementing the law because the law prohibits it. It's a national law. Ang implementing rules ng Land Transportation Commission is handled by the LTO. Sila yung magsabi na pwede sabing mag-hindi. Pero ako, I can understand their plight. Problem is public interest. Because ang highway kasi is for vehicles that runs faster than usual. Highway. And that is why they are prohibited from using the highways because they put people in danger. Hindi mo pa panahon mamatay ka. Kasi ito yung last time nang nakuha ng CCTV, makita mo, umatras yung sunog. Kaya talaga, yung hanap buhay, sabihin ko talaga sa kanila na dyan lang kayo sa side streets. Cannot use the highway. Pagka hulihin ka, talagang hulihin ka. That thing is not supposed to be on the road. That's the problem. So, kung yuron mo dito sa police, TMC, wala tayong mahimo diyan. But actually, it's the police. Ang TMC, wala na yan silang police power. But they were issued the TOP. I doubt if meron. But I'd rather that the police handle it.
Pero are you open through your office, Mayor, to request this LBFRB to open
No.
additional routes?
Simply because ang gut feel ko is that I will just aggravate the situation. Exacerbate the situation.
Kahit yung mga jeepneys.
Kasi kasa na, umuban ka na, may lisensya, umuban, wala yung rehistro. With the advent of the low-priced motorcycles from China, the highways are now in a bedlam. And there has been an increase of accidents and people dying. And that was government, even though gaano yan, is kawawa, wala man tayong magawa because yung highway talaga is for vehicles that run fast.
Pero yung mga jeepneys, Mayor, hindi sila open.
Oo. Kung may prangkisa, wala tayong problema niyan. LFTRB naman yan. Ang ako lang, I ban them from the streets using highways. I was just following the law. Wala akong interest dyan na yung sarili. Batas is ibatas, ganun yan. Ang problema, kung may mga matay, pareho itong kakuhan, may gani kasi sila inibangga. There would be really a problem, paski na sa compensation. Alam mo, pag na-disgrasya yan, tapos there's a third-party liability na ang ibanggaan nila bayaran ng insurance. Pag pero itong ganito, they're not supposed to be there. Pag magsabi ang insurance that is not covered by, because they are prohibited from using the highways, walay makuha ang patay. Tiway ka rin. And that's the reason why yung mga tao nagbayad ng for the road use, bayad ka man, they have the right to insist na alisin itong mga obstruction na ito. They are considered really obstruction. In plain language.
With your 2015 budget.
Yeah.
2015 budget mayor, nagsabit ang City Council. Kung sa pinakakuha po ng program for na yung ipadala.
Health siguro.
Yeah.
Health pati education, inuna. Health pati education yung malaki niyan.
November.
Yung akin na yung peace and order, hindi mo yan pwede malaki kasi kunin kunin yung sweldo ng lahat doing extra work for government. For example, yung binigay ko doon sa mga barangay na taglimang tanod, ang task force daw, paid salaries. Hindi sabihin mo na malampon na malaki. Pinakamalaki I think is health tapos yung education.
Mayor, November ng ano, kung saan kung ikaw patanawan, kung saan pinakagwapo ng performance sa police?
Tanan, all throughout the year. Wala man akong problema sa polis. May problema ba dito sa polis? O di patyo na to yung mga problema sila.
If you are to ask, unsay dapat i-improve? Given na nalo.
Well, of course, seasonal kasi yan eh. Yung increase of crimes during Christmas time, tapos gano'n. But ang problema nito, ganito. Noon, ang hold up kasi, tutukan ko lang ng baril, ang ibig sabihin your money, or your life, or property, or your whatever. Muna yung style niya ito. Karon, kaning mga habal-habal, ang uban boy motor, pahatod lang ito sa Awaaw, from that long stretch there sa Davao Bukidnon Road. Yan ang isang worry ko. Diyan ang yung keso na yan. Keso ng yan ang diyan ang ano. So I don't know, I might call a separate meeting for yung dapat talaga yung highway patrol. I was right all along. Kasi early on, yung pangalan niya is traffic management something. Sabi ko, mali talaga yan. Because, alam mo minsan ng krami. Sabi ko sa kanila, balik ninyo ng highway patrol. Kasi they're really supposed to patrol the highways. Kanila yan. Kaya sila highway patrol. Never mind about the city. Nandiyan naman yung traffic bureau. But fundamentally, the duty of guarding the highways to allow or to enjoy safe passage belongs to the highway patrol. Kanila dapat yan talaga. That's why doon na highway patrol eh. They're supposed to patrol downtown area. Wala namang mahuli dito. Diyan ang diyan ang mga brigands tawag niyan sa highways. Nandiyan ang brigands. Mag-hold up. Ilang beses na yan ngayong magsakay galing pagdating dyan sa Marilog banda yung i-hold upin. That's one serious problem na hindi talaga ma-solve.
Because it involves boundaries, Mayor.
No, it does not. It does not. It's nothing to do with boundaries. Something to do with the right of all people, including criminals, to travel in and out of Davao City.
Mayor, you will be meeting with President Aquino tomorrow. What could be the possible topics?
No, the only time that's really available for us to talk to the President is when he's supposed to palarga. Sometimes he sits for about 30 minutes. Tapos, if we have the chance, isingit mo yung problema mo. But I do not really, I have not talked to the President about yung problema sa ayaw kong magsingit ng problema sa kanya.
Mayor, will there be an increase in the lingap, speaking of health?
Yes, lingap is, yan ang makakatulong talaga sa walang-wala. Yan ang pinakamabigat. Sometimes, umaabot ako ng 280 million dyan. Because wala tayong hospital. And you know, 90% of the population of Davao walang pera. Kung hindi mo tulungan yung mga mahirap, patay talaga yan. Even dito sa antibiotics na, infection.
Speaking of education, will there be additional scholars of the STEP?
Yes, we will increase. Alam mo, kita mo ang Davao sumisikat, splash ka. Kasi yung mga scholars na tinatanggap ko, ang mga grado niyan, 96, 95, 98. Sabi ko, kunin nyo to. So, pag-aral yan, dito mamili sila ng eskwelahan. Pag top nila, minsan tatlo-tatlo ang magsabay, hindi alam ng tao. Of course, what is being advertised is school. But tanong sila kung sinong gumastos niyan, ay taong Davao. Yeah, scholar ng people yan. But because they are bright, they go to school, sinusuportahan naman namin. Kasi ako kompleto, we need, started kay Inday, Sara, dinagdagan niya yung school uniform, libre, pati yung libro, pati yung pamasahe. So, I might, additional, times are hard. Wala ng inflation, hindi na alis sa atin yan. The inflation has always been there.
Mayor, speaking of education, will there be an increase to the NSB paid teachers?
Wala na, that's, ano na yan sa, we are no longer allowed to hire. Nationalized na lahat. So, ang tutukan ko dyan yung mga buildings.
If the President will ask or solicit your advice, are you willing to share?
What advice? Because I would claim ignorance. So what is the area of the discussion? Kasi ako pag wala ako tahimik na ako. We do not. Alam mo, Presidente, we used to banter. Inato ba? But that was when he was just a candidate. Nung nanalo na, nag-iba na ang panahon. Sir, katarga ng sir. Presidente.
Meron na-expect ang mga taong nagwapo daw ang Pasko Fiesta this year kay last year. Ano daw din po sila nga anto sa tatong sa yung lanta. Instead ay Pasko Fiesta yung tanong po sa Leyte. Kano expect sa artist daw po ang gwapo daw. Gusto ba ang gwapo sa inyo? Pasko Fiesta. Pasko Fiesta ni mo mayor. Every Christmas na yun. Mga lights sa Davao City Hall. Last year kay i-recycle man lang kaya wala may kwarta ka na sa yung lanta. Ang ina-expect na ng taong is at least mas gwapo daw.
Siya tangan.
Medyo grande siguro konti. Magbigay ako ng pera. Gobyerno man yan. You know, I am the ARPOC chairman. I am calling this meeting not as a mayor. I'm calling them as the ARPOC chairman because may direction akong gusto. Galing rin ito kay Rojas. So, echo ko lang yan dito sa kanila. Hindi, wala man akong except that I said I'm calling them in my capacity as chairman of the ARPOC.
Is it in preparation for tomorrow's visit of the president or immediate preparation for the Senate?
Well, you have always been ready ever since itong Davao. May may module na to, ika nga, there's already a structure. Baski sinong commander o sinong diyan official mag-upo, nandiyan na yan. Yan naman talaga yan sila. Round robin naman yung military pati, except for the police. Sa police, kaya ako, galit ako doon kay Vic. Nirelieve na kamay mo lang yung nag-espada doon, wala mang. Tapos, sige, sipain mo. Hindi sinipa rin ng buwang. Tapos, biyak na. Nabuwak na. Tapos, i-relieve mo. So,
Pero you don't need mo siya mayor kaya
no. Baski sino, basta nagtatrabaho ang tao.
So, di rin mo siya pet.
Ano?
Nanak mo daw,
Pet.
favor daw din mo siya.
Wala ako dyan. Baski tanungin mo ang krami. Hindi ako nag-insist ng Sila yan, totoo lang. And you can ask krami. Wala akong, I do not exercise my right to choose. Except for itong si Sid La Peña. Because yung kasama niya sa listahan, hindi ko kilala. Pero kilala ko sila, sabi ko, bahala kayo. Ayaw kong basta gusto ko yung gusto nila para walang dynamic. Nakalinya naman sila noon pa. Baski ngayon, alam ko na kung sinong magpalit. Ganyan yan sila sa military. Alam ko na kung sino. Pati yung maging chief of staff. May imaginary yan sila ladder ng promotion. Totoo lang. Alam ko na kung sino yung kasi sa military, kung sinong logical choice sa chief of staff. Dito, ganoon rin sa Nasabi na namin kung sino mag-chief PNP, pati sino yung nakalinya nga yan. Ang kanila magtanong sa akin, por respeto lang yan. Out of respect sa mayor. Hindi kasi pangit yung walang pagka nag-away yung mayor, pati yung regional commander, pati chief of police, patay na. Walang mangyari sa syudad mo. Lalo na kung may resentment sila sa iyo. Pa-oo lang yan. Pag talikod mo, paglabas mo, putang na ng bataan na. Sige lang yaw-yaw. Ganon yan. Yan ang prangka na pagka-istorya.
Thank you.
Unawan, 65,000. File cases. Santa Ana. Kalaki, oy. Biliban ako na yung umam, oy. Pumahin, ma'am, ha? Lati si Marilog, hinay siguro ang plantasyon sa Bariwana dito. Wala kang apprehension masyado.
Now 165, sa
Mga pulis ganyan.
Marilog 10?
55.
75.
75.